How to switch cameras during video call on Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to switch between the front and rear cameras during a video call, then it lets you change cameras at any time without ending the call. Firstly, open up the Signal application on your Android or iOS and then start or join a video call. Select any contact or group you want to make a video call on and then tap on the video call icon at the top right corner. Once you start your video call, go ahead and tap on the flip camera icon at the bottom right corner and you'll be able to flip the video or the camera. Signal will immediately switch from the front camera to the rear camera or vice versa after tapping on the circle loop icon. So that's it. That's how you successfully switch cameras during a Signal video call. You can switch between the front and rear cameras as often as you like without interrupting your conversation. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.